Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do the zine. So a zine is essentially a little book, and it can be about any topic. And I'm going to have you guys make one about yourselves. So if I unfold this, you can see it's all made from one sheet of regular computer paper. It's just been drawn on, folded, and cut and slit. Okay, so we can fold it up into our book. All right, so the first step, get your sheet of computer paper. You're gonna fold it like a hamburger, like this. Unfold it, and then fold it like a hot dog. Okay, like this. When you open it, you'll have 4 squares. We want to get 8, so I'm going to take this bottom edge and fold it to that middle line. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now when I unfold them, I've got 8 squares. So now I'm going to label which square is which, okay? So I'm going to start in the bottom right. This is my front cover. So I'm going to write front just lightly because I'm going to erase this later. But this is so I remember when I'm drawing. This right here is the back cover right next to it. Okay, front and back. Now, I want you to take the paper and flip it like so. Starting from the left, this is page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. Just like that. On page, let's see. All right, so let's flip it one more time. And then starting from the left, this is page 5 and page 6. So I've got 6 pages, a back and a front. On the back and the front, these are free draw. So if you look at mine, I wrote my name, Mrs. P, for Mrs. Pemberton. I wrote a zine about Mrs. P, and I added some designs. On the back page, I just wrote, that's all, folks. You could put something like this. You could put your name. You could put some more designs. Those 2 pages are up to you. The first page, so if I flip this over, and I'm looking at the first page, this is about your favorite color. So I'm going to go ahead and write color so I don't forget. So I want you to draw a representation of your favorite color. Mine was teal. It's kind of hard to read because I did this pattern. So make sure you can read it. I would have changed that. And I did some water droplets and things like that that remind me of that color. Second page is your favorite food. Mine's a taco. So I drew a taco. The third page is your hobby. This is something you do in your free time. Watch TV, go shopping, play with your friends, things like that. I really like to garden and take care of my plants, so that's what I put for my hobby. Number 4, page 4, is your favorite subject. So again, I'm going to write subject so I don't forget. And mine obviously is art. So I drew a little painter's palette and a paintbrush. I'm going to turn it over again. So now we're going to look at page 5. And that's your favorite animal. I drew a cat. I've got a cat. Her name is Georgia, and I love her. So I drew a picture of a cat. It kind of looks like her. The last one is a picture of you. And so I just want you to do your own little self-portrait. It doesn't have to be super realistic. A lot of people may do a Bitmoji or, anything that you think looks like you. So I'm not going to judge you grade you based on super realistic. I just want to see a picture of you. Okay, so whenever you're drawing each page, make sure it's facing you. So if I'm going to work on the first page, I'm going to make sure I turn it over so this is facing me. So when I fold it up, it won't be upside down. All right, so after you've labeled your pages, get to drawing. You'll draw everything in pencil first, okay? So if I was going to do teal, all right, I'm going to start out drawing in pencil. All right, maybe I got some of my water drops. Okay, like that. You could even draw like a crayon, you could draw a pencil, or just blue or red things. All right, so do that first, and then after that, you'll take a black pen or a Sharpie and you'll outline it like this. At the end, you'll erase all of that. Give me 1 second and watch the next video and I'll show you how to finish.